Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on circle and Pythagoras, a GCSE Foundation tier geometry type question. Okay, and in the new grading system, this will probably be 3, 4, certainly not 5. Okay, it says not drawn to scale. Now, you must not assume anything is drawn to scale unless it says so, unless it is implied. All right, and it says two semicircles, each of radius 6 centimeters, are inscribed in a rectangle 12 by 8 centimeters. Now, ABCD is one of the lines of symmetry, one of the lines because in a rectangle where the sides are not equal, you have two lines of symmetry. So ABCD, the line ABCD is one of the lines of symmetry there. It then says find the length of BC answered to 3SF. Okay, now I'm going to draw the other line of symmetry, which is the line OPQ. Now OB is the radius of the semicircle. So in effect, what we now got, we got in the triangle OPB, this triangle here is now a right angle triangle because the angle OPB is 90 degrees. Okay, we now want to find this line BP. And the line BP is equal to line PC because the line ABCD is bisected. All right, we want to find the line BP. So the hypotenuse OB squared is equal to OP squared. Sorry, the line BP squared is equal to OB squared, the hypotenuse minus OP squared. So that's what we got here. So BP squared is equal to OB squared minus OP squared. Now OB is the radius of the semicircle, and OP is 4 because the line ABCD bisects the line OPQ. So OP is 4 centimeters. So in the triangle OPB, BP squared is equal to OB squared, the hypotenuse, minus OP squared. So BP squared is now 6 squared minus 4 squared. And 6 squared is 36, 4 squared is 16. So BP squared then becomes 36 minus 16, which is 20. Now if we take the square root of both sides, BP is equal to the square root of 20. So BP square root of 20 is equal to PC. So the line BC is now BP plus BC. The line BC is BP plus BC. Okay, so BC will then be double BP. And we know BP is the square root of 20. So BC is 2 times the square root of 20. And with your calculator, you find that the square root of 20 is 8.944. Now, because working to 3SF, the fourth digit here is 4. And then because 4 is less than 5, our answer then becomes that BC is equal to 8.94 centimeters to 3SF. And that's our answer. I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe.